Hi, this is Sel with Toyota Material Handling, TMHNC. Today I'm going to talk to you about sweepers and scrubbers, specifically this rider scrubber. And the two most common wearables are squeegees and the brushes. This is the squeegee, rear squeegee behind me. We're going to remove it. Take it over here to the table and show you how easy it is to remove the rear squeegee and get longer life out of your squeegee, double the life. Remove the metal band, pull off the Line-A-Tech squeegee, line it back up here with the tabs. Just make sure everything's flush and lines up. Got to play with the band here a little bit. It'll line up. Boom, done. If you need more information, please get us on our website at tmhnc.com.